Hi Professor, this is Celine. I'm here to demonstrate what I've done for assignment number 5 graphs. So we're asked in this assignment to build a family tree and using a graph and with a GUI we input members into that family tree and enforce some logics. So here is the code. We have this graph first, which we insert person, remove person, and we can edit existed person, and most importantly we can add relationship to between existed persons, and finally we can print all the persons in this family tree. And each person has 4 attributes: is ID, name, gender, and age, and the relationship will be stored in the family tree. So this family tree class will have this graph basically demonstrating that family, and we have 6 methods: add member, remove member, edit member, and add relationship, and print, calling the function, the different method of this graph class. And we are using this tkinter to build a GUI, a simple GUI for this family tree to input the data. And as we can see here, we can add member, and those are the remove member part, and edit member part, and add relationship part, and edit tree part. So those are different buttons that will be presented on this GUI. And when clicking on these buttons internally, it will call the function of the add member of the family tree class, and then it will internally call the graph function of the graph. And here is the code to initialize this UI and do the test. So now let's clear the output and restart the kernel for the test. Now we run this graph code, it compiles. We compile the person and the family tree class, and we compile the GUI class. And now we run the GUI pops out, and here we can input person. We can add person to the family. Here we are given a list of family that we can input into. But for the sake of demonstration, we can actually input any kind of family. For example, we can input ID1, name, for example, my name, male, for example, age 25. Okay, add this member. And for example, we can add another member, say Tom, gender male, 15. We can add this member. And after adding this member, we can print the tree, and we can see members of the tree will be demonstrated here. And we can remove member. We didn't give the name. We can remove member by giving the name of the member, like this. Remove member. And now we print the tree. New tree will only have the member Tom. Thank you, Professor.